These are right here. These are the ones right in the truck bed. There's 6 of them. Okay. And what I want to do is I want to put, and I took this one out, and what I want to do is I want to put some more of these clips. I got a bunch of them all over the place, these. And what I want to do is get a few more on there. There are these that came with a kit and it allowed me to put 2 in here. But these are okay, but I want to get some more. There we go. Just have to crack it. This is a T55 on this wrench. I'm sorry, on this socket. I'll put a picture of it right now with the set. It's a pretty nice little set. Alright, it's just a bolt down there. Cool. Check it out.
Hey, John. Hey, John.
That's what I really...
If you post that on YouTube, does it have to get approved by anybody?
No.
You know what I used to say? I'm starting a fireplace at my mom's house. You know, I'm redoing it with tiles.
Yeah.
Getting new, you know, a new door and the new logs.
I ran into the first problem here right off the bat. So these are the rings I wanted to use. They're nice. It took a little bit to find ones that are half-inch. In the bolt hole, and so for these they're 1/2 inch, and when they go in, because this washer, check it out, this washer doesn't come off, right? I'm not going to go pounding it through. As I try to put this in here, that's what happens. Look at that. And I don't want to smash this washer. I could just tighten this beyond to where it bends down, but I was doing so, it crushes this thing, so then this doesn't move. Alright, so that's what's going to end up happening with that. So the only option here is that I'm going to get my grinder and just give this just a little slice right off the edge, and then it'll be a little shaped a little bit more like that, and it should fit. Let's give that a try. Safety first. Alright, here we go. I'm just going to take off a little arbitrary amount, put this here in the end. Get rid of some of these little burrs and stuff real quick. Alright, we've got our pistel. That's what we're gonna, our set that I said we used to take it out. Alright, so check it out. Finished product after we cut it and buffed it down just a little bit. Now you can see that shape. Pretty cool. And now when we slap it on here, check it out. Nice. And you know what? And there's plenty of meat on here too. If you're worried about the washer, I mean, look at that. There's still like a 1/4 inch of washer on there. So no worries on that, my friend. And going at it. Let me put a couple in and show you what it looks like. Alright, that was super cool. But now there are 5 more to go, so show you in a little bit. Alright, well finally, this is the last one. Cut the size. Custom. I don't know, I would call that a de-washer. There you go. Here we go, here's the last one. Hopefully it's a smooth penetration, you know what I'm saying? Oh, each one's better than the last. So take another last good look at it here. So, sorry about that. So the idea is you just cut it down a little bit and then you don't damage. You still get the nice wheelie. Pretty cool. Let's put this last one in place. And I went ahead and did these all one at a time. The one thing I didn't want to do is take out multiple bolts and have something misalign. So you just go around, do one at a time. It's the safest bet. And I want to mirror them so they're like the same on both sides. Alright, these are pretty much all the tools I needed here. Again, this is the T55. My drill, my adapter. Obviously we're not talking about the grinder or the either the hand grinder or the regular grinder, but pretty much that's all you need to pop one of these off. So let's take a look at what we got. And this one spins around. This one no.